How to send money as friends and family on PayPal. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open PayPal. Log into your account. You'll find this kind of screen pop up. Then click on Send Now. You'll find this kind of screen pop up. Search for username, email, or mobile number, and click on the person. Select the currency and then add how much you want to send and press on Next. After that, simply select your bank account and then press on Next. Goods and services is the default mode. Simply click on it and then click on for friends and family. After you've clicked on for friends and family, press on Send and the money will be sent. This is how to send money as friends and family on PayPal. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. I am Sophia signing off until next time.